In addition to Moodle, we at Research Triangle High School are excited to use Thinkwave, an online gradebook. All of our teachers are entering their grades into Thinkwave for both students and parents to view their current grades and assignments. Both students and parents will have their own accounts. I will use this video to describe how to link all of your Thinkwave accounts and how to navigate Thinkwave once inside. In order to log on to Thinkwave, go to thinkwave.com. Once you are there, click the Login button at the top right-hand corner as indicated by the yellow arrow. You will now be directed to this page. We will be linking all 6 of your academic accounts, so even if you've logged in before, please click the Start Here as indicated by the yellow arrow. You will now arrive at a page that looks like this. If this is your first time to Thinkwave, you will need to create an account to access our school data. You will need to come up with a username. This can be anything. However, the username is case sensitive and cannot have spaces. You will also need to come up with a password that is both secure and one that you will remember. You will enter the password again, and then you'll enter an email address where, if you forget your password, a new one will be sent. Finally, you will enter one of the 16 number and letter access codes that have been sent to you in your email. These codes are not case sensitive, but they're pretty tricky to enter, so make sure that you're aware of what you're typing in. Once you're done, click New Account. If you already have a Thinkwave account, then you will need to enter that username, password, and again, one of those 16 number and letter access codes that was sent to you in an email. Remember, both parents and students will have different accounts, so each will get 6 different 16 alphanumerical access codes. You will now be directed to a page that looks like this. We will continue to link all of your accounts, and then I will tell you how to navigate through each class. To link another account, click on the word Accounts in the heading below the blue bar. You will be directed to a page that looks like this. This page allows you to manage your account settings. You have options to receive email updates as well as changing your password. However, if you do make any changes in Thinkwave, always remember to hit the Save button. Right now, I would like you to click on the Link an Additional Account as indicated by the skinny yellow arrow. This will allow us to add another academic account. You will be taken to this page again, where you will again enter your username, password, and the next 16 number and letter access code. Make sure that you do that in the bottom space where the yellow arrow indicates. After you have linked all of your accounts, you can navigate through each account and class by clicking on the down triangle at the right corner where you see your student's name, the word student, and one of your teacher's names followed by the school year. I have now given you a zoom in on what you would see if you clicked on the down arrow as indicated by the skinny yellow arrow. In this example, this person has only linked 3 accounts, Dr. Marvell's, Ms. Hall's, and Ms. Brown's. To view a class, click on one of these classes. If you have Mr. Finley for drama and English, those will only show up as one, and it'll be titled In Finley. If a student's name is not your student, please notify Dr. Marvell or the teacher immediately, as there might be a problem. When you have selected a class, you will see something like this. First, you will see recent results, which are either upcoming assignments that a teacher has already entered in anticipation for grading, or recently graded assignments. If you click on the tab Assignments in the blue bar, you will be taken to a list of all the assignments in a class. Make sure you have selected the most recent and correct grading period. For those of you, again, with Mr. Finley English and Drama, you will click on the left-hand side to navigate between those 2 classes. Also, for those of you that change classes, you may have different periods available on the left-hand side. make sure to click on the one that you are currently taking. When looking at assignment, you will see the points for each assignment, and next to that, the points earned for that assignment. If you see an M, that means that the student is missing that assignment. An M is calculated into the total grade as a 0 until that assignment is made up. If you see an E, that means exempt. This might happen if a student is absent or did not have to do that assignment. Finally, you might see an assignment with no grade. This happens when a teacher has entered an assignment but has not yet given a grade for it. Finally, to see a student's overall grade, click on the tab Grades in the blue bar. You will then see what the student is making overall for that class. This concludes your Thinkwave tutorial. If you have any specific questions, parents and students should work together to try to solve them. If you need further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact me at amarvell@rthighschool.org.